Good morning to all. This is for class 7th maths. Today we are going to start exercise first C. First question C. At Srinagar, the temperature was -4 on Monday and then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? See, when it is drop means minus. So it was -4, then -2. Like this. On Tuesday, -4, then drop. That's why we put here minus. If it would be rise, then here plus will come. But now here drop is written in the question, so minus will be there. Then -4, -6. It will be -6 answer. Like this you have to solve. Then of Wednesday, -6, then +5. -1 degree. Like this it will be done. Then same question 2, question 3, you can do it by your own. Now coming on to question 4, a submarine is floating 50 meter below the sea level. It goes down a further 380 meter to a point A. It further goes down means it was already below sea level 50 meter. Then further it go down means it will be plus. Like this. What is the depth? So like this you have to find out. 380 plus 50. 430 meter. This will be the answer. The second part, from the point A it rises. Now it rises. So it will be minus. That you got 430. Put 430 minus 120 and you will got 310. This will be the answer of second part. Now see question number 8. This remaining questions are same, that is why I am leaving. You can do it by your own. Still if you find any problem, you can comment and I will clear your doubt. Now see question number 8. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lower from 45 degrees Celsius at the rate of 4 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? A room temperature is lowering from 45 degree at the rate of 4 degree every hour, means every hour 4 degree temperature is lowering. So what will be the temperature after 10 hours? So in 10 hours how much temperature will be lower? 4 into 10. Like this. 4 into 10. 40 degree temperature will be lower. Then total temperature was 45. Then after 10 hours the temperature will be 45 minus 40. 5 degrees Celsius. Now see question number 10. A shopkeeper gain ₹2 on each pen and losses 50 paise on each pencil. Means if he is selling a pen, then he is gaining 2 rupees, and if he is selling a pencil, then he is in loss of 50 paise. He sells 60 pen and 100 pencil. How much he had gain or loss? So he is getting 2 rupees on each pen. He sells 60 pen. So total sale will be 60 into 2 for pen. That is 120 rupees. And similarly for pencil, total rupees for pencil will be 100 into 0.5. It is 50 paise which you have to convert in rupees. So it will be 0.5. 50 rupees will come. Then he gain more, that's why it will be gain. So 120 minus 50, 70 will be the answer. Like this you have to solve this. Remaining part you can do it by your own. Now coming on to next exercise, exercise 2A. The second chapter is of fraction. First one is express the following as mixed fraction. You know, with mixed fraction you have to change. Then you have to divide 12 by 37 like this. After dividing you got remainder 1. So you have to write like this. The remainder will go up and this question will come sidewise and this dividend will come at last. So like this you have to write 3 whole 1 upon 12. This is the answer. Like this you have to change into mixed fraction. Now next question, express the following as improper. Improper means you have to multiply this and add this. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 7. You have to multiply this and add this. Then 36 plus 7 43. So 43 upon 12. This will be the answer. Like this you have to change it. Now third first part. See, here 9, here 36. How many times it is coming in table of 9? 9 4s are 36. 4 is coming. Then multiply this 4 by upper number. 4 4s are 16. So 16 will come. Like this you have to do. You have to divide these both the numbers. The number that you will get, you have to multiply it by the upper number and your answer will come. Clear? Now, fourth question, write each of the following fraction in the simplest form. So first one is like this. Simplest form means you have to change the fraction so that they should not be divided further. Like this, it is both are divided by 2, divide by 2. This will got. Then again these numbers are divided by 2. So again you divide it by 2. See, both the denominator and numerator should be divided by the single number only. It should not be divided by different numbers. Now, by dividing this, you got 36 upon 84. Again this can be divided by 3. So now dividing it by 3. You will got 12 upon 28. Again this number is divided by 4. Like this. Now dividing by 4 you got 3 upon 7. Now this cannot be divided further. So this is your answer. Clear? Like this you have to do this. Next, write the fraction in ascending order in each of the following. Question number 5. In this you have to write in ascending order. How you will write this? First one, see. This is your question. Now you have to take the LCM of the denominator. LCM you got 24. Now you have to make the denominator same in all the cases. So you have to see in 2 table how many times 24 is coming. It is coming 12 times. So you have to multiply 12 by upside and downside. Then see in 8 table 24 how much time is coming. It is coming 3 times. So you have to multiply this fraction by 3. Then 12 2 times it is coming. Then you have to multiply by 2 like this. After this multiply you will got this 12 upon 24, then 21 upon 24, then 22 upon 24. After this now you have to check numerator which is greater. In ascending order we have to arrange, means from greater to smaller. So which is greater? This one is greater. And this is in number 3. At number 3, 11 upon 12 is there. So you have to write the original value. So this is greater and the original value of this fraction is 11 upon 12. So we will write 11 upon 12. Then 21 upon 4. Original value is 7 upon 8. Then write here 7 upon 8. Then smaller than this, 12 upon 24. Original value is 1 upon 2. So write 1 upon 2. Like this you have to arrange. This is your answer. Similarly, you have to do in question 6 also. It is asking for ascending order. In similar way, you have to do this question also. So today your 2A exercise is completed. Remaining part you have to do by your own, and if you find any doubt, you can comment me and I will clear that doubt in next video. Thank you.